I'm going to show you how to use the quick selection tool in Photoshop. So I have a picture here, really nothing special to it. It's just one photo. So what you want to do is go to your left-hand side here where you see all of your tools, and you'll find the quick selection tool. So what that's going to do by default, it's just going to have a plus sign, and what you can do is click and drag, and then you're going to see these lines, and this means that I'm making an actual selection on the layer that I'm on. So what that's going to do is select the only thing that I want to choose here. But what you can do if you want to take away a selection is actually hit the Option key if you're on Mac, or just go up to the top here where you see the plus and the minus sign. And the minus sign is actually going to take away some of that, so some of the selection that you have here, just in case you want to redo something, change something, add something, or take something away. It's actually very easy to do. So it's up to you what you want to do. You could treat this like a brush and make the brush size really big, really small, depending on the project that you want to sit and try and cut out. So from this point, you can have your selection, and I like to copy and paste. So you can hit Command C and then Command V if you're on a Mac Apple product, and I will shut this layer off. And there you have a clean selection of your layer that you had. Now it's not exactly perfect, but just to show you the tool itself. So in a nutshell, that is how you would go about using the quick selection tool on Photoshop. Hope you guys found this useful, and we'll see you in the next video.